Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use, how to add a tool in one of your content pages inside your module. So we're going to go inside the module, and if you go to tools over here, you'll notice that you can add all different kinds of tools to your page. But the trick to this is you want to have that tool created before you add it here. So for example, I am going to go to let's go to blogs. I'm going to go to blog, and I am going to create a blog. Okay, and I will just call this sample blog. And I'm going to type my instructions in here. Now this is how you would create a blog, whether you're using the tool feature or not. This is where you would go to create a blog. Okay, so I would include my instructions here. And again, you can go down and make your selections however you want this blog to run. If I want to add a grade here, I'm going to click grade, and I will put in the value. And also, this is where you can add a rubric. So you can select a rubric, and if I had any rubrics in this course, they would show up here on this list. So you would select the rubric and submit that. But I don't have any rubrics in there yet. Okay, so now I'm going to submit. And now I have a blog called Sample Blog. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my module. Click on the module, and it opens up here, and now I am going to add a blog. So from my tool list, I'm going to click blog, and Sample Blog is the blog I just created. So now I'm going to go to next. Now I'm connecting to my sample blog, but here is another thing that you need to remember. If you have instructions in your blog, let me go back here to blog really quickly. I'm going to cancel out of here for a second. I'm going to go back here to blog and open up my sample blog. I will edit from here. If my instructions are here in the sample blog, I want to copy these, so I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to do a Control-C as in cat, and then I am going to go to my final project, and when I go to tools and blogs, and when I connect my blog, I want to make sure that I paste my instructions in this box. So Control-C to copy from the blog, Control-V as in Victor to paste in the module, and now I'm going to submit this, and I'll show you what that does. If we scroll down the page here, here is my sample blog, and it sits here like its own little tool. So if I wanted to use my sample blog again, I can pull it up on the list. And if my blog is replacing one of these pages here, all I have to do is go to the drop-down menu and delete that page, and it'll take it right out of there. Okay, but now here's my blog. If I click that, it is going to connect to my blog over here.